A graphics card is an important piece of hardware in a computer. It is responsible for generating the images that are displayed on the monitor. If there are problems with the graphics card, it can lead to issues with the display. There are a few things that can be done to reset a graphics card. This can be useful if there are driver issues or other problems that need to be resolved. Follow the steps of video to reset your graphics card. There are a few different ways to reset your graphics card, depending on what type of card you have and what operating system you're using. In most cases, you can use either the built-in reset option in your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings, or you can use a dedicated utility from your graphics card's manufacturer. If you're not sure how to access the reset options in your BIOS or UEFI settings, consult your computer's manual or contact its manufacturer for assistance. Once you've found the reset option, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If your computer doesn't have a built-in reset option, or if resetting it doesn't fix your problem, you'll need to download and install a dedicated utility from your graphics card manufacturer. AMD and Nvidia both offer utilities that allow you to reset their respective cards. Once you've downloaded the utility for your card, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. After the reset is complete, restart your computer and test out your graphics card to see if the issue has been resolved.